All right, how we doing today, you guys? It's Wednesday, March 16th. We're approaching 12 p.m. Eastern Time. Today we're going to talk about stock market websites. Today in the Discord, we were just checking out a website here called it's like Doca or Doja. I'm not sure on how to pronounce it, but DOCOH. To help you guys out, I'm gonna, if you go into the live feed, chat feed, I'll post a link to this website so you guys can follow along. And then also, if you guys are interested in joining the Trading Learning 101 Discord group, there should be a link in the video description below. Follow the link. It'll direct you right to the Trading Learning 101 Discord. All I ask, at the very beginning when you enter, click on the start here, and it's going to drop down a sub list of channels. Just go to the welcome here, scroll up, and react to this message to verify. That way the stock bot does not kick you out of this server. That seems to happen to a lot of people that do come into this server. Just click on the react to this message and you'll get locked in, and then every day you'll be able to participate with us every day in chat. So today's Wednesday, for example, click on the Wednesday, and as you see, we've been in here all day talking about finance, the stock market, trading opportunities, and whatnot. So let's dig into this website. I've been a big fan of this website for some time, going on 2 years now. It's a pretty new website, and they're always adding new features to this website. That's what I like about it. And it's free, absolutely free. They do not charge. It's free to make an account. I'm not affiliated or partnered with this website or the creator of this website. So don't worry, I'm not getting a kickback for every sign up that comes to this website. This is a useful tool, and it's a tool used to generate potential investment and trading ideas. This is why I'm sharing it with you guys. So if you click on the dashboard here and you create an account, you can add in your favorite stocks. That way, every time you pull it up, it'll pull up all of your favorite stocks right here, and it'll tell you where they are at currently on the day. And what's really good about this website is you can really dig into the fundamentals with this website. So for example, if you're interested in Tesla, I have it right here on my favorites list. We'll click on Tesla, and it'll pull up the complete bio of Tesla. It'll give you a brief description of what the company's about, its logo, its ticker symbol, what exchange it's on, its website, the CEO, all of that good stuff. And then real quickly for us traders, it'll tell you what sector it's in, industry, and then if you're more into like swing trading or long-term investing, this is where this website really shines for you. You can scroll down and you have all of this information at your disposal. I will say though, I am not 100% sure though on how often they update the statistics on this website. I will say that. I think I may even send him an email or a message asking how often they do update their settings and statistics. But you can also follow these guys on Facebook, I believe, Twitter. Not many people know about these guys. They're a brand new up and coming website, and between me and you guys, right now it's free, so I take advantage of it while it's free. And you never know, for being an early sign up and person, you may get lifetime access if they do ever change over to a paid membership. You could just send them an email and be like, yo, dude, I'm one of the OGs that was first here. Can you hook me up? So it gets into all the financial summaries here, your revenue, cost of revenue, net income, your cash burn rate estimated, all this stuff for long-term swing traders. Recent insider trades. We got some here. Let's see. And it's pretty relevant too. Looks like March 27th or March 7th, 2022. You had a few people here selling at a price and how many shares they sold, the value they cashed out. Continue to scroll down. They have all kinds of great statistics here, and it's really well organized as well. All of your SEC filings are in order here. You got your news feed. It's got a Reddit thread. And that's not even including, don't forget, all of these tabs up here. Financials, data, institutional, insider, news, filings, transcripts, Reddit, ESG, shorts, ETFs. Let's click on one of them. We'll click on shorts here. So the short interest over 3 months. And it's giving you the yellow line, which is short ratio using same day volume. And then the blue is days to cover using 30-day moving, 30-day average volume. Okay. Short ownership 3 months. It tells you all of the funds who are short this stock, when they filed, the date, the name of the fund, how many shares, and the value. Oh, and the percentage of their fund. That's pretty cool. Yeah, this is a new feature. They added this in, the short interest here. I bet a lot of people are looking at AMC. Let's pull that one up just for fun. Click on shorts. Short interest. It's really low on here. And then the recent short ownership. That's pretty cool how they have this. Click on ETFs. This is a new one too. A new subject here, ETFs. ETFs that hold AMC. So right there, that alone could generate a lot of investing or trading ideas. So for example, let's say that you really like Tesla, for example. But then when you pull up Tesla and you see the price is at $835 a share, you're like, dang, I got to put up a lot of money just to buy one share. Well, you can easily go to the ETFs, click on that. And then these are all of the ETFs that hold Tesla. So you can invest in one of these ETFs. That's pretty cool. Percentage of fund. See this one right here, Baron. They have 50% of their fund in Tesla. And then if you want to find out more about this ETF, there's You click on them, and then you can go into all your SEC filings here, dive more into the company, and then there's all of the related tickers right there. Let's go back here to Tesla, ESG, environmental and social governance data. So employees over the course of time, you can see that they've been growing but topping out up here. CEO payout, CEO salary. Man, they really have this broken down and organized really, really well. And they just keep adding and adding and adding new parts onto this website. Look at Reddit here. Reddit mentions daily the last 14 days. Reddit sentiment, positive and negative. Sure, Reddit distribution. Wall Street Bets talks about Tesla the most, followed by a group called Stocks. Wall Street Bet SOGs. Options, investing, stock market. Wall Street Bet Elite. Small Street Bets. Wall Street Bet News. So there's all kinds of different ideas you can come up with and run from this website. The news, the insiders in on this. Yeah, you could do a lot with this, you guys. I would say that this is right up there with FinViz. Right up there. Click on sectors. You got all your sectors listed here. Click on utilities. And it tells you the trending companies in the utilities sector. Looks like AEP Texas is number 1, followed by Alabama Power, Florida Power and Light, Dominion Energy Gas, and some of the top stocks in this company. Let's see. Upcoming earnings, IPOs, press releases, and news. And it looks like they're working with Benzinga Pro. So it's coming out with news, as you can see here, 54 minutes ago. Click on that, and then it'll direct you directly to the article within the website. We got earnings. It's got an earnings calendar here. IPOs. Splits. Institutional. I thought that this was pretty cool. They have it top holdings by value. Number 1 is Microsoft. They have 1.8 trillion. Top holdings by number of filers. Microsoft, 4,322. Oh, this one's really cool. Top insider buys last 24 hours. Number of trades. So right here, 5.4 million shares. FRSH. And the stock went on a good run this morning. From 17 up to 19. So they bought at an average price of $17.50. Which is right there. They got in at an average price $17.50s. Check that every morning pre-market, and then you can get an idea what companies are doing big inside buying. Top insider buys last 7 days. OXY dash. Top insider buys last 30 days. Top active direct insider buys last 24 hours. DraftKings DKNG at an average price of $15.37. Man, that guy's banking. He was loading up right there at that green line. It's up just about $3 a share. Oh, and the list just keeps going and going and going. Top buyers last 24 hours. It tells you the top people who are buying. That's pretty cool. And then they have a Reddit dashboard trending stocks. Trending stocks on Reddit. FOMC has 66 mentions within the last 24 hours. And then its percentage change. It's up 29%. FOMC. Yeah, this is more of a penny stock. All investing subreddits over last 24 hours. And of course, the top one is AMC right there. 106 mentions the last 24 hours. They really do love that AMC stock. And then GameStop is number one over here. Wall Street bets over the last 24 hours. GameStop, AMC. Okay. Dividends. Investing. Penny stocks. SPACs. There you go. Day trading over last 24 hours. Day trading over last 7 days. Stock market, security analysis, value investing, Robinhood, options, Bay Street bets. Who's that? Then they got the SPACs. SPACs have been getting real popular recently. And then last one, crypto. They have a crypto now. So the top 10 by market cap. Bitcoin, Ethereum, Tether, BNB. And then they got latest crypto news spitting out right here. Recent filings. So yeah, add this website to your guys's favorites. This is a must-use website, I would say. Followed by, there's another one too called Swaggy Stocks. This one is really good as well. Right now we were looking at it, clicked on 4chan stocks, and it's telling you social volume movers up. And it's got a list here of all the top social movers, social volume movers down, trending most social. Short squeeze, social volume movers. They've updated this as well. But again, I am not sure on how often they update the statistics in this. Check out these real quick. Yeah, there's all kinds of up and coming new websites out here all the time. It's always good to keep an eye open for what's going on out here. Whoa. Yeah, this is pretty advanced. Almost looks like Twitch. It's got a Twitch feel to it. Live chart of the SPY. Let's click on Microsoft. So look at here. Trends, ratios, financials, exploration, social sentiment, social volume, options. You got to go pro, gamma, max pain. I would say still this is a pretty cool website. It sucks that they're charging for it. Go back home here. I'm gonna save this. Let's click on another one. Sizzling stocks. You know what this could be? This could be email promotional pump and dump. Because right off the bat, they're asking for my email. This is how email promotions work. real quickly. I'm going to record this as a quick lesson. So this is how email promotions work. We're out here, we're on the website, we're checking out Swaggy Stocks, and Swaggy Stocks is given a list of recommended websites. We're looking at Sizzling Stocks right here. Market commentary that includes trending stocks, what's hot, what's cooling off, implied volatility analysis for option sellers, and those looking to get new stocks on their radar. Discover emerging stocks before they take off. And now when we click on this, it brings us to this page right here. Sizzling Stocks. Discover emerging stocks before they take off. Launched a year ago. And then you got to type in your email right here and subscribe to continue. This is a trick to, one, get your email so they can add it to their list to bombard you with selling products to get you to sign up for. They're creating an email list. And then this is also a way for email promotions to get stocks pumped up and going. So imagine how many people use Wall Street Bets, and then they get gravitated over to Swaggy Stocks, their official website. They're promoting this. This is an email promotion. So then every weekend they send you a promotional email. And let's say it's a low float stock that they're promoting. Just for example, something like this. Just for example, FOMC. You pull up the daily chart, you could see stocks has a big run up and then crashes down. It's at tenths, fractions of a penny. Fractions of a penny. There are people that love trading these types of stocks. I don't trade these types of stocks. I don't like trading penny stocks like this. I like trading stocks that are established companies. They're actually on an exchange like the NASDAQ, New York Stock Exchange, or American Stock Exchange. When you get into the pink sheet and OTC stocks, that's considered the Wild West. You're going off into no man land territory. And you got to think of it too. Anybody can get an LLC. And when you have an LLC, then you can register to be a company and get listed on the market. So these are a lot of mom and pop, like up and coming companies that hopefully one day they can get on an exchange. But there still is a lot of fraud and just a lot of danger in this field. It's best to be careful. So I just thought I'd record this real quick, a quick lesson. This is a quick trick to get email promotions, and some people don't even realize and know that they're signing up to participate in pump and dumps. It's so easy to take part in pump and dumps and not even know it. You got to know and understand the stock market. Let me read first. So it's got a list here of all of the email promotions that they've put out. Still, I don't wanna. I just want to go to the website, brah. I don't want to sign up for nothing. Market sentiment. Once again, want your email. The Stonks Hub. Want your email. Out of all of them, there was just this one right here. This one didn't ask for your email. That was the Juice. Even these guys have a premium service. But DOCOH, check out this website, guys. It's a really great website. I can't recommend it enough. I've shared it and talked about it with you guys in the Discord a lot. This should definitely be in your back pocket. Let's quickly take a look at what's popped off today. Number one, we'll pull it up here. KC. This was one of the top stocks gapping up this morning. Recently had a sell-off from $6 all the way down to $2.50. One of our members here, Frank, called this out yesterday. It was having a good day. Running up from $2.50 up here to $3.25. Nice 75-cent run. Found resistance, got tight here all day. Right at that 250s, forming an ascending wedge. This morning, wake up, it's gapping up. Gets a nice little morning pullback to 4. Never looked back. From 4 all the way up to $6 now. This one was a good one. DWAC had a good push today. Running from 66, touching 70. So a nice $4 run on that. We were watching energy stocks for a momentum and bounce potentially, but they just a quick morning pop to sucker you in, and then an ultimate fade right back down. They were looking really good this morning, energy stocks. They really were. When you scroll out on this chart, INDO, you could see it recently sold off from this 40 level all the way down to $24. So with this sell-off here, we start going sideways here. We made a new low yesterday, but it was able to quickly come back at the end of the day and then close out pretty strong. So we're waking up this morning with a slight little gap up, and we're like, hey, if this can get a little pullback in the morning and hold up above that previous day's close, we could see a nice rip up to 30 and potentially over 30 and get a rip up to 35, maybe even test 40 again. You never know. It's a low float stock. It's ran before, but this is what happened. We had the right idea, it just didn't pan out. See, like yesterday, it got driven down, quickly snaps back up, holds at that 24.50 level. Good range on it. Nice strong close. We're getting a slight gap up this morning, right up at 26. Market opens. This thing just instantly rips to 28, pulls back, and then rips up to 30. So when it was pulling back right here, we were looking for it to hold up at this level, build up, and then blow up through that $30. But this sunk down, and now it's sitting here at 25. It still could come back. It's all coming down to timing right now. It really is. And when you look at all of these other energy related stocks, they truly were setting up. USEG, United States Energy, was recently an uptrend here. It got beat down right here. It was getting a nice little push, breaking up over these highs. If it would have held the 650s right here, we could have seen this push up to 750, maybe back up to 8 up there. But energy stocks are weird. They only move when you have a news driven event hit. That's the only time they move. And a lot of these energy stocks, they're so far gone from reality. IMPP. So you look at how far these things ran. From 50% there, it ran all the way up to a high of almost $9. So we're in the backside of the move here, and look at how hard this is crumbling and falling apart. It's going back ultimately to where it came from, which was 50 cents. So even today, when you zoom out on this, let me delete these levels here. We were recently up at these highs, $5.56 up here. Then you could see the last few days, we've just been getting drilled down all the way to $2.75, and we were leveling out right here. This is what we were seeing. This morning, we're getting a slight little gap up out of this, hovering just below that $3. We were saying, hey, all energy stocks, they're setting up and looking good. If they can break up over and continue to build, we're looking good. IMPP 275 rips up to 3. Let's zoom in on it. It rips up to 3 right here, and then falls back just below, gets drilled down super hard. Look at that. And then just tanks all the way down to 220s. So these things are just gonna they're just gonna decay all the way back to where they came from. Even HUSA, this was another one. It was up here at these level, like 950 level up here. From 950, it gets drilled all the way down to 5. You could draw a trend line connecting all of your lower highs. See it get drilled down. This morning, it was gapping up out of it right here. So we were looking, say, hey, if this can hold up at 6, build up off that 6, we're looking good. Run up to 650, 7, 750. Take it 50 cent, 75 cent levels. But what happened with it, you could see. Just completely clonked out right here, all the way down to 525s. I mean, they still could bounce, they could, but it's not time yet. Yep, DraftKings had a really good move. 16.25 up to 18. Nice, what is that? $2 move up. But don't forget today, you guys, that the Feds are talking today at 2 p.m. with interest rate hikes. So we said it this morning in the pre-market prep. Watch for a lot of these stocks to have death grinds up today, leading up to the Fed meeting. And then once when the Feds come out and put out interest rate hikes, that's when everything's going to potentially tank. Even the SPY was getting a good gap up this morning, and it's been continuing nicely. But now, as we are getting closer to the Fed's meeting here in an hour and a half, it's 12:30 right now. We had a good solid uptrend this morning. Now we're starting to level out. So the Feds are about to speak. So we're a lot of sideways resting going on right now. And then when they put that decision on how much they're going to raise interest rates, you don't know truly which way it's going to go. We're either going to go down or we're going to continue to push up. It's never good to try to really predict what the markets are going to do, especially indexes. The best thing you can do is just listen. Listen to what the markets are telling you. Take it moment by moment. Never try predicting what the indexes are going to do. All right, you guys, that's going to wrap it up for me. It's already been going on 42 minutes with this stream. Thanks for tuning in. Hopefully you guys are all having a great day and a great week. Happy Hump Day Wednesday, March 16th. Close out the rest of this week strong. Be safe out there. Appreciate you guys. And if you're new to the channel, hit subscribe to the channel. Hit that like button. I appreciate it. Be easy and safe out there, you guys. I'll catch you guys later. And once again, before I leave, video description below, Discord. Join it up. Go to the start here. Click on welcome. Scroll up and react to this message. Verify, that way the stock bot does not boot you. All right, you guys.